Next, we will look at how to take fractions to exponents. The main rule here is that the exponent will be applied to each, the numerator and the denominator. So we would re-express 1/8 to the second power as 1 to the second power, or 1 times 1, over 8 to the second power, or 8 times 8, leaving you with 1/64. Same thing here, we're going to apply the exponent of 3 to both the numerator and the denominator. We would re-express the numerator as 4 times 4 times 4, and the denominator as 5 times 5 times 5. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64, and 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 would be another 125. Since I couldn't cancel any common factors here, I'm not able to cancel any common factors here, so this is my final result. You may also see 2 or more groups of fractions taken to powers, and we're going to follow the same logic there. So I would take the power or exponent of 3 and apply it to both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction it's in. So that would be 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 5 times 5 times 5. Then, since we have one fraction right next to the other, that would be multiplication. And I'm going to apply the exponent of 2 to both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction that it's attached to. So 3 times 3 divided by 4 times 4. And at this point, you can try to start canceling some factors here. I have a 2 times 2 here, so if I take, and that's 4, so a 2 times 2, and one of these 4s would cancel. So now I can re-express this as 2 times 3 times 3 divided by 5 times 5 times 5 times 4. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 3 is 18, 5 times 5 is 25. I know that 25 times 4 is 100, and 100 times 5 would be 500. Now, we could have also noticed here that I had a 2 here and a 4 here, so I really could have canceled one of those out, which is in effect the same thing as dividing each of these by 2. So 18 divided by 2 would be 9, and 500 divided by 2 would be 250. I know that 9 only has factors of 3 times 3 and 1 times 9. None of those are factors of 250, so this is my final fraction.